Upgrading and installing packages through the Cygwin command line. I'm a blind computer user that uses Cygwin. The installation program isn't very accessible. Upgrading, installing, and removing specific packages is quite hard to do since you have to use simulated mouse keystrokes to click and scroll. Is there a way to either manually install/upgrade packages or install/upgrade them through the command line?
Install AppSig. After that, you'll be able to install, say, the package links including dependencies by running.
Since some people correctly stated that AppSig itself needs Widget, and in order to get AppSig you need Widget, there is a bash-only solution to bootstrap Widget in pure bash. Create a function like this in your Minty bash shell. Now you can use it almost like Widget.
Old question, but for others that Google and got here, official setup has command line arguments which allowed me to prepare simple. That script, just put following line in, for example install pkg.bat and put that file into your root directory, for example c:\Cygwin. You need to download and put this URL, 32-bit, or this URL, 64-bit, into the same directory. Now all you have to do to install packages. Positive, official setup, should always work for any package. Negative, current, June/2015, official setup requires administrator rights even though it actually does not need one, for example root directory outside system folders.
The official AppSig installation method is 2 steps is better than 3. Then, by the way, to make it work you will need to install Widget, tar, gawk and bzip2 in order to use AppSig. Apart from Widget, the others come with default Cygwin installation.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.